How'd go with y'all boys? How'd go with y'all boys? It's your boy BlockboiJay. Now today I gonna be reacting to funny black TikToks that had me rolling on the floor. If I laugh 3 times, I gonna lick my cat booty. Booty hole. And I said, yeah. This a little cat, meat. She ain't got no name yet. I don't even know if this is a girl or boy, but look. If I laugh, I about to lick this cat booty hole.
Your life is ruined. Yeah. Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream.
Can I tell you a joke?
What's the joke, bro?
Your last 3 relationships.
I've been in 1 relationship.
Yeah. This Vaseline, baby. This ain't baby oil.
My brother. Yes, my brother. Come. What is your name? My name is Sayi. My brother, you must hunt.
Bless you. Oh, it was a cough. Curse you. What?
Did you actually did this?
Mitch get the show. Oh, I almost laughed. Oh, I almost laughed. Clear this.
Touch me, nigga. You do not exist.
Oh, wow.
Hey, this dude funny. No, chill.
Because if I don't set my standard, the standard won't be set. Because if I'm asleep, how can I be woke? Yes. Because if I don't fall, how will I get up?
Okay.
Because if it's not in front of you, then it's already behind you. That's a bar. Because if I don't get right, then I'm gonna get left. Because if I don't swim through it, I'll drown in it.
Don't have a boy. I promise you it ain't easy.
It's not even that good.
I saw this on Instagram.
Hey, boo. Hey, girl. Hey. Hi. I walk in and this is what he doing, just squirting the damn lotion out. Come here. What? Hi, Mommy. No, it's not no hi. Why did you squirt that lotion out? Come here. Come your ass here. Where my belt at? Come here. Get it up good. Put that train down so you can get it up.
Okay, those are my chips. Put those back. Put those back. Yeah, put those chips back. Close the cap. Close the cap.
Yo, I ain't laughed this whole time, bro. Bro, this whole time I ain't laughed, bro. I swear, I ain't eating no cat booty, bro. Come on.
Go ahead, baby. Go ahead, baby. You fall in that water, I'm gonna whoop you. Get over here. No!
You know, black people.
No! Get over here. No!
Okay. I'm good.
You know, black people.
No! Get over here.
Wait. I laugh. There go. Wait. When someone adds water to the soap because it's running low instead of replace. It's the voice note or whatever that is. You know, black people.
Yeah, I tried those before. Hey, I think they're my favorite chips. I don't think they're spicy. Do you? Sometimes my mom let me have some of these. I wonder what those taste like. For my birthday, I want those chips. Are they good?
BMWs are known for oil leaks, man. They known for that. They fast motors, ain't
Oh, shoots, bro. They be close, bro.
Come on, Spoot, I need you. Hurry up, come on. I need you.
I got you.
You got me. I need you to take care of that problem right there. It's too big.
Too big for cereal.
You gon' hit it?
Get back.
Okay. Don't miss it.
Y'all get back.
Hurry up before he jump. He that leg moving, I see. You see that leg moving?
Yes, ma'am. I'll go ahead and ship him right there.
Handle it like a man, Spooter. You got these.
I got it.
What are you doing?
Swap out your bread and freshen up your lunch with this viral watermelon caprese sandwich.
Ain't got the nerve to stereotype us. They always talking about black people so ghetto and da. Girl, this the ghettoest shit I've ever seen, man. They try to give a cute name to some ghetto ass shit like this. It's a watermelon caprese sandwich. Girl, that is a struggle melon. It ain't easy sandwich. Shit made me want to call you a nigga.
What the hell?
Oh, shoots. I be getting so close.
Things. Is they beavers? Oh my god!
Okay. Throughout this whole time, I did not laugh. I do, but I ain't laugh. You know, no, I didn't laugh. But I'ma still lick the cat booty hole. If you boys made it all the way this far, please. If you boys made it all the way this far, please drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and don't eat cat booty. Bye.
Yo, check 1, check 2. Wanna rob me? Hold tight you. Open a boot. Whack man up, go home. Play Xbox, drink Thai food. Bare waist man wanna diss my tune. Same waist man wanna live in my shoes. See me spitting bare deep bars on YouTube. Now they wanna try to diss me, but you don't know me though. Heard my bars on the Roll Deep show. Now I'm so much better like Snipey though. You're a jackass just like Steve-O. Wanna know about me? Here we go. Half Yoruba, half Evo. I would ask you to pay attention, but you ain't got no pedo. I'm going to damage your ego. Wanna run down BMX like Debo.